Get ready for the most flavorful Ogbono soup recipe ever. In this video, I will show you how to make this best Ogbono soup you can make, packed with Nigerian flavors. Perfect for a hearty meal. Just try it and let me know what you think. Okay? So let's get started. I'll go ahead now to I added my stock fish. I'm going to use fresh fish for this. Get any fish of your choice. If you like, you can get your dry fish or you can get a fresh fish. Anyone can go. This is a simple Ogbono soup, but the taste is heavenly. Just come with me. After I added my fresh fish, I go ahead to add my chopped onions. Continue watching. I added my dry fish, so go ahead to add your spices. I'm going to be using rosemary. I added a small salt, and I will go ahead now to add one cube. So you can skip the cube if you don't like it. Okay, add the cube for taste. You can as well remove it if here you don't like it. Yeah, for this flavor I added onions. So I add water to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. The stock fish I have already soaked it with water for a day. So it is now soaked. So cover to boil for 15 to 10 minutes.
If you're looking for a place, learn how to cook. Chikwado space. Such amazing black beauty lady, so loyal and down to earth. The smile said it all. She's inviting you to come and learn how to prepare a healthy meals. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Chikwado space. It's so good and then traditions. We cook food, lifestyle, product reviews and blends and more. Please visit us today to see by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Chikwado space.
So after added our blended the fresh pepper and the meat and also our red oil, we go ahead to add small salt. We have to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes again to allow the taste to come out. I go ahead to put my ogiri okwe. So if you know what is ogiri okwe, this is wonderful, flavorful. It's going to give you the flavor, heavenly flavor, for you to like this our delicious Ogbono soup. So I added this and melted it out. Turn it now. Here, if you want your soup to get a little bit thick, don't add much water. So we are going to go ahead to add a thickener. But before then, allow your soup to cook well. So I will go ahead to get this spicious and wonderful recipe water to make our ogbono. Our ogbono is already blended. We're going to melt it, then we're going to add it. So follow as I show you, not too much talk. So melt it and add it, and follow my recipe. Follow it step by step. I make sure I show all my recipes step by step so that whenever you want to cook your own, come here, look at it, follow it step by step. You're going to get it perfectly. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I will leave you now. Now we added the main obonge thing, that is the bitter leaf. This is a dried bitter leaf, washed and refreshed. We add it. We are going to allow it now, but before then we are going to add all the fish, all the fresh fish we cooked and removed. We add them and cover it to stew. So continue watching. Don't forget to give me a like, share this video to reach more people, comment, give me a wonderful comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Just subscribe, because you're going to see a lot of recipes, African recipes, German recipes, Italian recipes, whatever, intercontinental recipes. Guys, subscribe and stay tuned so that you're going to follow us whenever we are online or we post a new videos. Thank you for watching and keep watching.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. If you're looking for a place, learn how to cook. Check White Space. Oh, oh, oh. Such amazing black beauty lady, so loyal and down to earth. The smile said it all. Oh, oh, oh. She's inviting you to come and learn how to prepare a healthy meals. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Check White Space. Oh, oh, oh. It's a good and then traditions. Oh, oh, oh. We cook food, lifestyle, product reviews and blends and more. Please visit us today to see by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Check White Space.